So, P-Bird, Eggy, aka Eggy, Santana Bird wants to make a cake. We don't have all the tools that we need, like some spray. We got oil and stuff like that. We got everything else. We got some eggs. But he had a choice between a chocolate cake and a classic white with, what are these?
Sprinkles.
Spinkles. He wants spinkles on there. So we have everything we need. We just made a pizza, which he's tearing up over here.
Yeah, look.
But you know what we don't have up here?
The biggest pizzas.
Pizza. You know what we don't have up here?
What?
You gotta wipe your hands with the towel, buddy.
Yeah,
We don't have the eggs.
Oh,
So we need 3 egg whites. Just, yeah, probably bring the whole thing.
Yeah.
He wants to film this, so this is for him. We're gonna see what this turns out to be like. Okay, so we got 3 eggs. So it tells us. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. I probably suck at making cakes or anything for that matter. I make a really amazing corn dog in the microwave though. No, kidding. Okay, so it says. All right, so we're going to so three eggs, a cup of water, and half a cup of vegetable oil. So we have vegetable oil back here. So we're gonna grab us some vegetable oil because we do got that back
These are
here.
all right here.
Vegetable oil, the Walmart brand, but it still works. So we got vegetable oil. All right, so then what we're gonna do, it says, because I haven't done this before, so bear with me. And don't laugh at me. If we get it wrong, we get it wrong, but at least we're gonna try. We've already preheated the oven to 350, like the box says. And I don't have any spray, so I took some butter and I put butter, or we put butter all in the pan. Don't come for me if that's the wrong way to do it. I've never made a cake before in my life.
That's not the way to do it.
Well, we're gonna find out.
Yeah.
So, all right. So we're gonna take our
Later
bowl
on today,
here. We've already washed it. So we're gonna pour our water. Actually, no. Take that back. We're gonna do our eggs. All right. So let's take an egg. Let's crack an egg.
Can I try one?
Yeah. Let me crack this one first. Boom. There's one. Oh, you know what? I didn't take a bag out. We gotta get a bag. We need a bag. Don't crack it yet.
Today we're making a humongous bag.
Okay, so let's put our bag right there. Hold on one second.
Crackety mackety crackety.
Crackety mackety. All right, so go ahead and crack your egg. That's probably not how you want to crack it. There you go.
Ew.
You're gonna get shells on there. We're about to eat shell cake. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. All right, almost. Get that squeeze on. No. Okay, ready? That's a little bit of too much of a squeeze. All right, so there's 3 eggs.
Look.
Ooh, gooey. You know, I used to eat these like that.
Really?
Yeah, I used to just. I thought that they were good. So when I was boxing, when I was a teenager, I was like, I want to do what these other fighters do. They're just cracking eggs and eating them raw. I did that, and let me tell you, it was not cool. But I thought it was tough. Okay, so let's do that now. Hold on, pops.
Get 100 eggs.
Now we're gonna take. Let's take our water. Ugh, gooey on the counter too. We'll make a big old mess. This is gonna be a sloppy cake session.
I want an egg.
Okay, so
You
we
don't
got
want an
that.
egg cake.
Let's take our cup of water. Yep, go ahead. Ready?
I can do it myself.
Go. Pour. All right. I feel like we're gonna mess this up. Wait. So now it says we need a half a cup of vegetable oil. You know, they're not gonna laugh at you. They're gonna think you're cute, and they're gonna think that I completely suck as a father trying to make a cake. It says half a cup. That's a lot of oil, bro. Okay. So let's see here. Okay, let's pour oil in. Come on, oil time. Oil time.
If it gets on my face, don't laugh.
I'm not putting oil on my face, buddy.
Yeah,
Okay, so we did that. All right.
Snap.
Now, hold on, not yet. We now have to take our cake mix out.
Woo!
I'm gonna get my knees back here. Okay,
It looks
probably a
like
little bit
you
better.
wanna-
Now you can see me better, huh? All right, so we are going to take our cake mix out You know what? You know what we should have made?
What?
We should have made like some cool little aprons. We could have had like our own little apron. I have some. You know what? We're gonna do it again. Let's do it again tomorrow.
What?
We'll do it again tomorrow night, and I'll make some aprons for both of us, and
one tomorrow.
we'll look like chefs. I'm gonna make a mess. I already know it.
But I already have a little.
Oh, okay. There we go. You hear? That's not like one of your farts. That's what your fart. That's what your farts sound like. Oh, they go. Like. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Right, here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's what my grandmother used to say. May she rest in peace. But your great grandmother, every time she would laugh or something, or I would say something funny, she would say, "Oh my god, oh my god." Okay.
I'm gonna steer it.
You gonna steer it?
Yep.
Where are you steering it to?
Your face.
No, it's not a car. Let me start it. But you know what? We don't. This is gonna take a long time. You know why it's gonna take a long time? Because it says it's better to be done if you blend it. We don't have a blender or a little thing to blend it. This is gonna be hard.
I know how to do it.
Okay, hold on. Let me get it to a point where like it's easier for you. So now it says to blend this thing for 30 seconds. We can't blend for 30 seconds. We don't have a blender thingy majigger. So hold on.
How much do we have to do this? 30 seconds?
No, for us it's probably gonna be like 30 hours at medium speed. Yeah, this is gonna be cray, guys.
Can I try that?
No, let me get it to a point where
like all that stuff is not on.
Yeah. While he eats the pizza back here.
Yeah.
And I'll probably be speeding. I'll probably speed through this. So if you get to this part,
apple keeps the doctor away.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Yeah.
So if you get to this part right here, I'm just gonna speed it up. So just bear with us.
Like a bottle rocket, I love the way you rock it. Baby, don't ever stop it, there's nobody else to top it. You don't need them lemon heads, cause I'm a red hot. You know I love you, sugar, you my peanut butter cup. Oh, them other chicks will melt down, but not you. Them other chicks will win, supposed to hot too. You're my baby Ruth, my Mentos. Because with you, you make my life fresh, girl. Oh, look at us, sugar babies, girl, just take this candy ring. And if I make it big, every day shopping spree. I know you realize that you don't need them other nerds. I got that Chico stick and all they had was gummy worms. Oh, the kiss is so sweet. I wanna now let it like knock me off my feet. Give my joy, candy still finger real name. Still finger real name, love. The kiss is super sweet. So I wanna now let it like flying on my seat. Give my joy, candy still finger real name. Now I know I hit the payday, making you my lady. Them other cats were circus peanuts, baby. See, I'm a jawbreaker, only if I have to. And I don't need my peeps to send them Reese's Pieces packing. You make me chuckle, mama. Ooh, yeah, you do. I don't wanna live without you. You're like cotton candy, you're so sweet. You're like a Snickers bar, guaranteed to please me. The insulin that I need, the Hershey kiss that I feed. Baby, I don't regret it. We're like a package of Kit Kats, we stick together. Oh, yeah. I wanna now live it like a star, but you knock me off my feet. You're my only joy, candy still a thing you're in name. Candy, your kiss is super sweet. I wanna now live it like the pop are flying out my seat. You're my intimate, candy still a thing you're in name.
Shouty lips sweet as the Hershey's kiss, soft middle, hard edge, main like a Reese's.
Yeah, she all up on my Milky Way. She calling me a big hoe. She worth about 100 grams of Reese's peanut butter cup.
Smooth caramel skin like you dipped in an apple pie. She got me hella high up in Mars, astronaut.
I'm trying to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop. She call me sugar daddy cause I get cash a lot.
Hit like that, so lead any kind of flavor. flavor. She wanna be with a star now and later.
She got the golden ticket like a Willy Wonka fan. She ain't bout playing games, Candyland.
Candy, your kiss is super sweet. I wanna melt in it like a star, but she knocked me off my feet. In my own joy, candy still bring your name. Candy, your kiss is super sweet. I wanna melt in it like some pop or some flying on my seat. In my own lead, candy still bring your name.
Goodbye, y'all. Leave me alone.